All right, here we go. Today we are showing you this Starlink stand that I've got all set up for my Gen 3 Starlink. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I can do this install and show you all the features and the versatility of it. Today I want to show you this Starlink pole adapter I just got set up and installed. There's a little wrench here to tighten this up, but you can mount it on a flat surface. You could mount it on a wall surface like this, or let's say if your roof was angled, you could mount it on your angled roof. I'm going to mount it flat, so I've got it set up like that. I'll snug that up. It came with all these hex wrenches to put the Starlink piece on it like that. The Starlink will just clip right on it. There's two screws here underneath to hold the Starlink. There's also anchors for concrete. There's anchors for sheetrock or wood walls, or screws if you want to just screw it into the wall. So there's multiple options for anchoring it. I'm excited about it. I'll go mount it. I want it temporarily for my RV, so I'm going to mount it on a nice flat piece of wood, and then if I loosen this, I can lay it down and store it inside my RV. So I'll show you how that works. All right, so I want to show you, I have this screwed down to a nice piece of wood that I'm going to just set out on the ground or on top of my RV when I'm camping. I was able to fish the cable right up through past these. Got those snug down so it'll hold the Starlink without any problem. I got my Gen 3 Starlink here, and the piece fits right in. I could snug these up to have it stay more tight in the wind maybe. Is put the cable through like that, put the mount on. I can tighten it up whatever orientation I need, but I believe I can easily install the cable for the link, and then sliding that back down and on. That's going to hold my Starlink really nice on the ground. It's going to be nice and level, and if it's not too tight, I can rotate it as needed to line it up north. So yeah, I think it's impressive. I think that's a nice, strong, versatile stand, and I'm excited.